Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, let me wash this squash off again. I got some squash here from the farmer's market. I washed it off earlier, but I can never make my squash too clean. And I'm gonna do some tempura. You see by the video, y'all. I'm doing some tempura fried squash. And I don't know how I'm gonna do these, probably in slices like this. I love fried squash, y'all. This has to be one of my favorite vegetables. And especially in the summertime, y'all, fried squash with some ranch dressing, it doesn't get much better. But I got, y'all know about the gold dip. I'm gonna do these like this, y'all. Gold dip tempura batter. You know, you can get it in the store in the little bitty boxes, but I'll get mine at Restaurant Depot. And they have the big bags. And I always get a bag, and it'll last me, almost 6 months, y'all, depending on how much shrimp and fish or whatever that I make. I'm cutting these things pretty thick. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna tempura fry these in my pot over here. So let me get this last slice here. And I'm slicing about 1 inch thick, y'all. So I want them to be 1 inch thick. When I get down to the little neck of the squash, I'll cut it like that. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna make this tempura batter right quick. Very simple, very easy. I got my squash cut up right there. I got my grease heating up. I'm gonna turn it down, matter of fact. 350 degrees. We're gonna make us some tempura fried squash. Hold on, y'all, just a second. Get my bowl for my batter here. A little batter in here. You don't take a lot of this. Don't take a lot of this at all. All these, you put cold water in here, y'all. Just cold water and tempura batter. And I let it set up about 15 minutes or so. A little bit more. And there's the measurements on the box. Like I say, in the store, it come in a little blue box. But you know, if you get it industrial size, you don't want this too thick and you don't want it too thin. You want it where it cling to your squash. So we're gonna mix this up here. Get it all mixed in here good. I want a nice light crispy batter on it, y'all. That's what I'm looking for in my tempura squash here. I'll mix this up here a little bit more. That's it. Now I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on this squash because I want it to kind of sweat a little. So that's gonna make the batter. I'm gonna put it in the dry batter, dip it in here, and fry it. So I'm gonna step off here, season this squash up. We're gonna come back. We're gonna fry it off. I got my grease heating up over there. It's very quick summertime snack, y'all. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, let's get this party started here. Okay, like I said, I put salt and pepper on my squash here. And that helps release water, which is gonna stick to this tempura batter, which I got in here. I got tempura batter in here. I'll shake that up in here. Gonna give a little coating. Then I'm gonna put it right here in the tempura batter here. Right in the grease, y'all. Do 2 or 3 of these, y'all. Get them going here. I don't want them to burn here. You know, my grease is hot here and I want to make sure. Move y'all over here in just a second and let y'all kind of see this. All right, move y'all over here. Y'all kind of see this. I'll flip these over here. I'll flip them over. You don't want to put, of course, you don't want to put too many in here at one time. Y'all know that already. If you do, you're going to make your grease go down. That's what you want right there. That's what we want right there. Nothing like tempura fried vegetables, right? And squash is my favorite vegetable to tempura fry. Absolute favorite. And when we take these out, we're going to put more in there and just continuously go. Continuously keep going. Okay. All right, look at that. Look how pretty these are, y'all. Look how pretty these are. And I did them thick because I want to cook them enough, but I don't want, you know, squash. If you cut it too thin and cook it, yellow squash will get mushy on you. See that? How pretty those are? Yes, sir. So what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to take these out of here. Look at that. Look how pretty those are, y'all. It don't take long on squash. If y'all cook squash enough, you already know that. It don't take long on squash at all to cook. It's going to be nice, light, crispy. Look at that. Look at those. Look at those. Nice, huh? So I'm going to step off, get the rest of them fried up, and we'll be back here in a few minutes, and we're going to do the final taste test. We'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this big old plate of goodness right there, y'all. Big old plate of goodness right there. All tempered and fried up. I'm telling you, it's the best way to eat fried squash, y'all. Get your little, look how crispy that is. Look at that. Tempura squash there. Get you some ranch dressing. Or you can get chili sauce, however you want to eat it. Malt vinegar. Oh, wow. Real good, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look like fried squash, huh? Well, it's unlimited what you can eat with this. What you can dip this with. Okay. I just used a little ranch dressing. Put you some ketchup. And I showed you the different ways that you can slice it and use it up. You do the circles like I did. And at the end, I like to make it in long strips. It's simple. Simple, easy. Not the healthiest way. Well, my friends and neighbors eat this up, y'all. Eat it up, won't be any left. So, yeah. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to show you another way to use up all that yellow squash in the summertime. This is some tempura batter. And tempura and fried up. Very simple and very easy. So, anyway, y'all, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.